Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into concord. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Unanimity, which means agreement by all people involved. Unanimity. For example, we have achieved a degree of unanimity. Number 2. Consensus, which means a general agreement. Consensus. For example, the consensus was that the government should act now. Number 3. Unity, which means the state of forming a complete and harmonious whole, especially in an artistic context. Unity. For example, their leaders called for unity between opposing factions. Number 4. Harmony, which means the state of being in agreement or concord. Harmony. For example, the villagers live together in harmony. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.